Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we have a special guest, a legendary Mack. But as you can see, it's not what it used to be. Burnt, rusted, and seemingly cursed from the junkyard. I just snapped it up for a mere $500. Too cheap. Or a costly mistake? Let's begin the process of its revival now.
We found it. Mack. Cursed. It stands on guard.
Chịu được. Không biết đâu. Đừng cố quá.
This section here is particularly stubborn. Need to be careful not to damage the underlying.
All right, just a few more turns. Hold tight, old boy. There. Locked in. Looks good as new. Well, new.
After hours of battling rust and fire damage, the true form of the Mack was finally revealed. This was the most crucial stage. A perfect metal surface would determine the gloss of the paint job later. Any small mistake at this point would be obvious under the paint booth lights. We weren't in a hurry, because perfection wasn't for the impatient.
Almost there. Keep sanding, the rust is giving way. Wow, it's really smooth now. Looks like it's... Got it. Finally.
What?
Let's finish it.
People often only pay attention to the big picture, but the soul of a car lies in the smallest details. Every bolt, every logo trim, every hidden corner of the chassis, they all deserve the same care. Listen to the sound of metal as it's cleaned, it's the sound of rebirth.
Keep going, I can still see it.
Restoring a cursed car for $500 is never easy. I just discovered a couple of deep cracks in the engine block due to the extreme heat from the fire years ago. But giving up is not in my vocabulary. We're going to have to reinforce, weld, and sand it smooth until it's as solid as new. This journey has only just begun.
complete.
All right, time to clean up this ugly smile. Watch out for the sparks, Mac. Just gotta make it look menacing. Grrr. Perfect. Now let's see you roll.
From a pile of burnt out scrap metal worth $500, we've brought the legendary Mack back to its former glory. The curse has been broken by perseverance and countless hours of hard work in the workshop. Looking at this gleaming paint job, I know all the effort was worthwhile. Thank you for joining me on this revival journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next restoration. See you soon.